pa naintindihan ni Kiko Barsaga yan, na when you lead a revolution, you have to be prepared for that. And one requirement of revolution is you have to have an army. May hukbo ka dapat na armado, na kayang sumagupa sa AFP at sa PNP. Wala tayong ganyan kasi didepensa nila yan eh. Because they use the law to defend that. So ngayon, kung wala kang hukbo, anong gagawin mo? Even if you can have 20,000 rallies, pupunta ka sa Forbes, lulusubin mo yan, papasukin mo, madugo yan, sigurado yan, no? Pero that can be a possibility in the crisis situation where the government cannot arbitrate. Hindi po nababalansin ng gobyerno ang kalagayan ng mamamayan na lugmok sa kahirapan at nasa kumunoy ng krisis ang buong bansa, both political and economic crisis. Hindi malayong magkaroon po mangyari ng ganyan. But that is dangerous. It will plunge the country into a deeper crisis. At sigurado tayo po ang makikinabang niyan si Marcos kung hindi malakas ang pwersa ng mamamayan. Bakit? Sapagkat hanggat hindi nagwe-withdraw ng support ang AFP at PNP kay Marcos, mananatili ang kanyang kapit sa poder because they have the armed forces and they have the Philippine National Police na tinatawag na coercive apparatus of the